In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create packaging design mockups like a pro in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a flat label into a polished box bag or bottle preview that looks ready for the shelf. First, open your design in Canva. This is the project you want to showcase on the packaging, maybe a product label, a logo, or a full panel layout. Make sure your artwork is clean and high resolution, so it holds up when placed on a 3D mockup. Inside the Canva editor, head to Elements, scroll down to Mockups, then find the Packaging section. Here you'll see a range of ready-made scenes, boxes for cosmetics or shipping, stand-up pouches and shopping bags, bottles and jars, and more. Take a moment to hover and preview so you can pick a shape and angle that best matches your real product. Select a mockup that fits your product, then apply your design. Upload your label, logo, or artwork as a JPG or PNG and simply drag and drop it onto the placeholder in the mockup. For labels that need a clean edge, a PNG with a transparent background usually gives a more realistic result. If your art is very detailed, a larger file size helps keep text crisp. Next, refine the placement. Click the image and choose Edit to adjust how it sits on the packaging. Use Fill to cover the area edge to edge. Fit to keep the full design visible, or Custom to scale and nudge it into the perfect spot. Align to key edges, watch the curves, and avoid stretching. Small tweaks to rotation and size can sell the perspective and make it feel truly printed on the surface. Now, customize and finalize the scene. Adjust the background color to match your brand palette or sample a hue from your label for cohesion. Add subtle shadows for depth and fine-tune brightness and contrast so the mockup lighting matches your artwork. This is also a good time to check readability, ensure important text isn't lost against the packaging color. When everything looks right, save and download. Choose the format that suits your use case: PNG for transparent backgrounds, JPG for smaller files, or PDF for high-quality print previews. Give your file a clear name and you are ready to share it in presentations, online stores, or client decks. Thanks for watching.